Hello friends, in previous video we learned hostel wiring. Now in this video we will learn a hospital wiring. Okay, so first of all we draw circuit diagram, and by using circuit diagram we make a connection of that circuit. So first draw the lamps in series connection. Now take a two switches, one way switch and two way switch. So connect the lower points of two switches with phase wire. Connect the second lamp wire with the middle point of a two-way switch. Now connect the remaining point of one-way switch to the center of two lamps, and the remaining wire of two-way switch to a first lamp, and then connect it to a neutral wire. So this is the mentioning one-way switch and two-way switch. Lamp L1 and L2, switch S1 and S2. Now we make a circuit by using this diagram. So take a two switches, one way switch and a two way switch. Okay, so the lower point of both switches is connected to a phase wire. Okay, this is the phase wire. So now the middle point of two-way switch is then connected to a one side of a lamp. This is the lamp L2. So the other point of a lamp L2 is connected to a one side of lamp L1. So this is the simple circuit. We make this circuit easily at home. So now this wire is connected to a one side of lamp L1. So the connection between lamp L1 and L2 is connected to a upper point of a one-way switch. So the upper point of two-way switch is connected to a one side of lamp L1 or neutral wire. So now the circuit is completed. Now we check this circuit, it is working or not. So there are four working conditions of hospital wiring. So the first one condition is the both bulbs glow bright. So in this condition the both bulbs are in parallel. So the next condition is only one bulbs glow, the other one is not. Okay, so in this condition only one bulb glows. So the next condition is both bulb glows but dim. In this condition both bulbs are in series. That's why the voltage reaching every bulb is less. Okay, so the last one is the off condition. When the both switches are off, both bulbs are also off. If you like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.